Hello, everyone. Today, we will introduce how to flash the Android system. First, we need to obtain the firmware for Android. Click on the firmware upgrade. If you haven't installed the Rockchip USB driver and flashing tool yet, here are detailed installation graphic tutorials. You can also watch previous video tutorials on burning Debian systems. After installing the driver and burning tool, let's download Android firmware. If the firmware name contains Wi-Fi, it means it supports Wi-Fi. The following dependency indicate the screen type. The firmware needs to be selected based on the actual screen used. After the firmware download is complete, we open the burning tool. Open the downloaded firmware. At this time, the burning tool prompts that the device is not found. This is because the development board has not been connected to the computer yet. We first set the dip switch on the back of the development board to 1. Use a dual port type of cable to connect to the development board and computer respectively. Pay attention to the development board's access port. It's the lower USB interface near the power supply. Then we press and hold the recovery button of the development board, and then power on the development board to enter loader mode. When the burning tool discovers the loaded device, click Upgrade to burn. After burning is completed, we can see through the display that the Android system has started successfully. That's all for today. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions, leave your comments below. Subscribe our channel for more videos.